at this storm. It's like freaking huge. Oh, look, it's starting to rain. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. I thought it was on my screen. I thought that was stuff on my screen, but no, it's on the window. Oh my God, I gotta open this window. Just real quick.
Stop yelling. Hello everybody, my name is Stephen Jane here. And I'm videotaping again. No, close the fucking window.
I just want to stick my phone out. Look at this. This is a huge storm. 12 days before I start school. I know. Oh yeah, I forgot to do my intro. Hello everybody, I am RoboKitty, and welcome to my very first video and very first vlog. And on my very first vlog, look at this. It's a huge storm 12 days before, shut up, before my first day at school.
Be quiet, ready? And this is the weather with RoboKitty.
Wait, did you just show my face?
Huh? No, this paused.
Okay, good.
I need to I'm stealing your charger.
Oh yeah, and guys, look at this.
Don't show me.
That's my logo.
Trinity, they're gonna know your logo. It's gonna be on your channel.
Well, I gotta make my channel before I put this up. Look, it's getting darker by the second. Oh my God, I thought that was water on my screen, but no.
It's raining.
It's freaking rain on the window.
Stop yelling. Okay? No. Okay, I'm back. I had to put my phone on the charger. Look at this. It's starting to rain. It's fucking crazy outside. The window is no longer hot. It's starting to fucking turn freezing.
Yeah, yeah.
Look at this. You can see the water on
Oh
it.
yeah, and guys, I'm here with Demon Gaming.
Hey, and this is RoboKitty. This gonna be the new Jacksepticeye if she keeps screaming like hell.
Sorry. Sorry.
No, don't. Please. Ow.
Sorry. Oh my God, look at that over there.
Look.
It doesn't.
I can't see.
Oh, look.
I can't see.
Wow. I know.
Whoa.
It's
no
like-
clouds.
I must suck for the.
Damn,
for-
Danielle.
It must suck for. Oh yeah, and this is my little sister. She's
That's our
pretend-
little
Yeah.
sister. And this is totally gonna give away who we are. Thanks,
Yes.
Jen.
Yeah. Oh, you can hear the rain out the window. It's starting to. It's barely. It's just starting.
You're not
to pour.
gonna hear what I said, so don't worry, Robo.
You can smell it from right here.
We don't care if we smell the rain. Look at the window.
Ow.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at that side of the window. That side. You see the rain? I can't really see it, but look at this. See how the
It
rain
looks like
falls?
it looks like there's indents in the window, but no, that's rain.
Look
No.
at all those palm trees in the background.
Oh my God, those are the palm
Oh my
trees
God,
at the big church. And look at that building over there. That yellow
You guys see
building.
'em? I can't
That's
tell.
a Pope church
Okay, you
being
guys
built.
can't see.
I don't really care for church though.
I'm gonna be over here. They'd be like, not gonna be rude. We don't go to church. We don't care for it. We would probably like to go, but we just can't go. Look, you can hear. Look, everybody be quiet. You can hear the rain falling.
That was just my dad.
That was Dad.
Listen. Shh. Listen. Listen. Here. I'll put you guys use the speaker first.
Trendy. The camera's facing us. You fucking retard.
Don't call me Trinity. He's a video. I'm trying to get it. Oh, it looks blue outside.
Well, Trendy, you already gave away.
Whoa.
Whoa! I wish I was.
That
I wish the camera
was
was facing over there.
big, but it does not look big on the screen.
And we could. I'm gonna have to get used to call. Here, I'll just call you Kitty. It's close enough.
Yeah, it's call me Kitty. It's my nickname. Yes. Or you can call me. Oh God, the window's freezing. Oh God. Oh God.
Fucking cold.
The window. We're making videos for our channels.
I told you I had a channel.
And I'm RoboKitty. I have no channel.
Yes, I do.
She makes videos all the time.
You're never around to see me doing it.
I make one on Sticker Oh God, yeah, I'm not kidding, guys. Oh, did I catch that on camera? I don't know.
You sound like a fucking newscast person. Did we catch that on camera? Tune in next time to find out. Look at this. This is the fucking biggest rainstorm we've been in.
Yeah,
we weren't outside.
Look, these spider webs are like coming off from the outside.
Yeah, spider webs outside the window just coming off.
I wish I caught that on camera when there was a bird pecking on the window.
Really?
Yeah, remember I told you the day when you woke up.
Oh! That one was above us, I think.
I don't
I
know if
see
I
it.
caught that on camera.
Oh, hold on.